Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can run tests from one or more modules. So let's open test package and inside that GUI package, and for example we want to run all the tests belonging to this module PyPy homepage test.py. So we will use hyphen file switch and then list of modules we can supply. Here we are only going to supply one module. So this is the module that we want to run all the tests from it. So test started running and browser instance spun up, test started running. All the tests from given module are being run, and that's done. Let's open the report, and here we can see all the tests from test PyPy homepage have run, and module name is PyPy homepage test. Let's close this, and now let's run tests from more than one module. For example, this time we will run in parallel to save some time. So let's supply hyphen instances key with the 10 value. So 10 tests will run in parallel. And let's add one more module, for example Selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods, and Selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods. Okay, let's do one thing. I think there is no need to do that. So new GUI, not non-GUI, Selenium wrapper methods and test underscore action, and then instances with the 10 value. Let's run it. Okay, so this time all the tests from PyPy homepage test module and test action chain methods module will run. So, and this time all the tests will run in parallel, so they will run quickly, then sequential. So here we can see all the tests from this one is marked as skip, that's why it is skipped, but we can see that it has been picked up by nRoBo because it belongs to action chains methods. So here we can see it is marked as skip, that's why it was picked up but did not run. So let's unmark it and then rerun, and this time all the tests will run, and this test will not be marked as skip, so this will also run. Okay, so test running in parallel, and this time this one is the run, and let's open the report. Okay, this time we can see test has run. So this way we can run tests from one or more modules. Thank you.